Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM6 isn't heating up during cooking, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty heating element or wiring problems. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further damage, potentially affecting other components or rendering the machine completely unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement heating element, and a set of tweezers. You may also want some anti-static gloves to protect the internal components. Start by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged and placed on a stable surface. Carefully use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the base of the unit. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off, taking care not to force it. Inside, locate the heating element. It is typically situated near the base and connected by several wires. Take your time as you identify it, ensuring you note how the wires are connected so you can replicate this later. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully disconnect the wires, making sure not to damage any nearby components. Once the wires are free, unscrew the heating element itself and remove it from the unit. Take your new heating element and attach it in the same position as the old one, securing it with screws. Reconnect the wires as you noted earlier, ensuring they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reconnected, replace the cover of the Thermomix, making sure all edges are aligned correctly. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could damage the casing. Finally, plug your TM6 back in and perform a test run to ensure it heats up properly. If all is well, your Thermomix should be back to cooking delicious meals in no time. To prevent this issue from arising again, make sure to clean your device regularly and avoid exposing it to excessive moisture. It's also a good idea to check for any loose connections periodically. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.